So this is just a little tidbit for anybody who is fighting one of these Tauruses or Focuses or whatever. If you are fighting a crank nose start where it's a fuel pump, you're probably gonna find a lot of information on this. This is the fuel relay module that's behind the seat above where you would access the fuel pump. Now, what you'll also find is that this relay, or this fuse right here, is the fuse that powers the relay. The diagrams that I found, which I don't have access to a lot, show that this powers that. And it does, but there's another relay in between. So just so you know, you also need to check this relay in this back corner here. And what I did was I swapped the AC clutch relay over to test it, and sure enough it was bad. And so it's got the old one from the relay, or from the clutch over there, and I put a new one here. But fought it for a while, couldn't get power back there, was only getting 0.8 volts, not near enough to power everything up, but got it figured out. And you know, just wanted to throw that out there for anybody who might be fighting the same issue.